Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add your WhatsApp button to GoDaddy website. At first, you want to search for Elf site on Google, just like this, and click on the first one that comes up. Now, what you want to do is, this website widget, you want to click on this one. And then we want to go to chats because we want a WhatsApp chat, and we'll click on this WhatsApp chat and then click on create widget for free. And from here, it's going to give us a bunch of options to edit our widget. Like you can see, do you want it to show up like this or like this? Whatever you want, dark theme or feedback, things like that. So let's say we want a message feed. So I'll just select this one and then click on continue. And then you need to click on your, put your WhatsApp number and then click on add to website for free. And now it's going to save the widget. And then you click on publish and then click on select. Now, as you can see, this is the code. So we need to copy this code. After that, what we'll do is head over to our GoDaddy website and then go to the admin panel and then go click on website and then go to edit website. We're going to click on add section and then we're going to click on like code will render here, that part. And you can see title, even though it's Google reviews, put it as WhatsApp chat. And then you want to paste your custom code that you just copied and finally click on publish. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.